April 1st of 1984, I started working in this industry, first for one insurance company, then for another, and then, 10, 12 years ago, I went independent, as they call it. I no longer have a product line supplied by my primary company that I need to use. I've got a team of professionals here in my office so that when I'm spending time talking with you about what matters to you in your life, I'm with you in that conversation. We use a variety of insurance and investment products, everything from municipal bonds to mutual funds to plain old ordinary insurance to managed portfolios to help you meet your financial goals. I've got clients 18 years old, and my oldest client, I believe, is 92. My typical clients are women and couples, people in transitions, people who want a long-term advisor that they can have a relationship with, someone who knows what mattered to them 5 years ago, what matters to them today, and what's going to be important to them 5 or 10 years from now. With the stock market throwing what I call a hissy fit over the last year, I get asked, will it turn around? If this one is anything like everything that has always happened before, it will end. And then, of course, what the client is really asking is how long before my portfolio, my money, goes back up to be at least what it was before it started sliding or more. But a market downturn is a market downturn. They happen. They scare a lot of people. And long-term investors should see it really as an opportunity to add things to your portfolio at fire sale prices. So the answer is, if you're a long-term investor, you're probably properly prepared for this. You don't like it, it's not fun, but it's when your portfolio is able to actually do the buying low so that someday later on you can sell high. Most of the folks who present themselves as investment counselors or planners are men. Men don't understand the process by which women take in information and make decisions. So we're running a female-friendly office. That doesn't mean we're anti-men. That means we like to make it such that women feel good about the information they can gather and the decisions they can make. So we have men and women as clients, but we tend to have more women because we're a comfortable place for women to do business. As my firm has grown, we've been very fortunate to have some wonderful people decide that we're a good place for them to plant their professional feet. We've got several people who do what we call back office work. Marianne Pierce, my colleague, and Gail Olivet, also my associate. Let's go meet them now. Hi, Marianne.
Hi, Susan.
We're here talking a little bit about why people use a financial planner. We consider ourselves financial planners. Who are your typical clients?
Well, I work with both individuals and businesses here in the Central New York area. I specialize in 401k plans and also with planning for pre-retirees and retirees taking income.
Your typical client tends to be a little younger than mine. You're doing the pre-retirement planning 10, 15 years out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what kind of change does someone experience that makes them feel that it's a good idea to touch base with you?
Well, I think there are a lot of life changes that might bring someone in to talk to me. They may be changing jobs, they may be having a child, maybe they're marrying or remarrying, and they kind of want to take stock. And we can explain it in a way that's understandable and that they can feel comfortable.
One of the common questions we get is, what else should I be paying attention to?
Sure.
And they don't want to spend the time. Our fees, our commissions, whatever we're paid, is worth it in one of three ways, probably a combination over the years. The mistakes we don't let you make that would have been very, very costly. Mm-hmm. The things we do for you that might be better than you would have done on your own. Those are hard to know. Mm-hmm. And the time we save you. We certainly save you time. Once you're up and running with us, a meeting once or twice a year, unless there's something extraordinary in your life going on, will keep you on target for decades getting where you want to go. Marianne, I've known you for over 13 years. We worked together in this industry in different capacities a long time ago.
Yes.
Tell me a bit more about your background.
Well, Susan, I have been involved in the financial services and insurance industry since the late 1980s. I have worked with people to do their life insurance planning. I have done financial investment advising for the last 7 years. And I've also served in a compliance role, I supervised people who do what we do for several years. So I really do have broad experience, I believe, in all aspects of this profession.
And you actually really like to get into the nuts and bolts of the insurance products that we have to deal with because
Yes.
they're an important part of financial planning?
I really do enjoy it.
I'd like everyone to meet Gail, our newest associate here in the office. Gail, you have an extensive background in accounting. You're a CPA. Why are you here?
Well, Susan, my accounting background will really lend credibility to helping them with their financials and financial goals.
You're an asset here because we try to be very tax intelligent about the recommendations we make, but we're not tax professionals here in this office. But how many times so far have we gotten you to clarify some minute parts of the tax code for us so that we get better answers?
And I'm glad to be able to help with that. If I don't know the answer, I certainly know where to find it.
That's a good thing.
Yes. Certainly every situation is different, and there is no set answer for every that will work in each situation.
Yes, I've got clients who've been with me for the last 25 years. Something on the order of 98 or 99% of our clients stay with us year after year after year.
Oh, so you have a great retention rate.
Well, we have a great relationship with our clients, and that leads to a great retention of clients over the years. We hope we've provided information that is interesting and useful to you. If we piqued your interest, we'd love to hear from you. I've been helping clients navigate the financial landscape since 1984. Call our office at your convenience.